Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm sharing a walkthrough of this very simple 20-page 12 by 12 album that I made for Christmas time. And it's got a undecorated red cover, perfect for sliding on a bookshelf or leaving out on the coffee table. Again, this is for the simple person in mind, someone who doesn't like a lot of busy pages or a lot of overly decorated things. This is also great to give as a gift. So there's places to put each photo. So really, all you have to do is simply add the photos. Here's a place for a 4x6 photo. It says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year with some simple ornament embellishments. Here's a double page spread. Again, simple to add 4x6 photos there. Cool corrugated little Christmas trees for embellishments down below, and spaces to write journaling or notes about each of the photos. Here we have a place for a 4x4 picture, and this down here says Noel with joy. Let me lift this up so you could see a little bit closer in nice die cut letters there. This, since I'm close, I'll show you that this page on the right hand side says blessed, going up and down the side. Two 4x6 pictures here, horizontal, and a place for journaling or just notes about the photos. Here's some neat decorative paper and the word smile. Two 4x6 photos and some other smaller, more wallet type size photos, and a nice little accent stamp there. I really like that the paper isn't, the album isn't real heavy with one particular manufacturer or paper company. It's just Christmas in general, and also a nice combination of traditional colors and sort of muted tones and different sorts of unconventional colors as well for Christmas time. It's nice because in Christmas photos, generally your photos have a variety of different colors in them. So you can have a little bit of choice as to what kind of background you'd want in comparison to what the photos look like that you have. 3 1/4 by 3 3/4 photo here, nice and small. Two 4x6 photos here, and a place to comment or write about the photos here or here on the little banners. And the word joy. This page says beautiful moments. I love this. I love the dark paper there, which will really make pictures pop, especially if those pictures have a lot of red and greens or glitter sweaters or, that kind of thing. This says magical time, and really nice just accent papers there, decorative papers, and a nice weathered look of the pages. But it doesn't, it's not too busy. Here we have a double page spread with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photo spots there. Christmas trees and a little title. It says Christmas time. Just nice and simple, not overly done. Here's a page for 2 photos, a 4x6 and a 4x4 with the word Christmas. Another 4x6 photo here, and some more of the corrugated Christmas trees, which I love. That's a neat page. Another double page spread here. You can see some of the images and ideas are repeated, but not repeated to the fact that it looks like duplicate pages. So again, 6 pictures can fit on these double page spreads. Here's another one, and again, 6 more pictures. They fit comfortably too. You're not squeezing them in or folding or unfolding. There's no flaps, there's no interaction, there's nothing for you to take out of a page protector. And this is a top loading album where all the pages slide in and out easily so that you could put the pictures right on top of the areas where the pictures are shown. And the last page here looks like a gift wrapped, and it's just a nice final thought page with a 4x6 photo right there and a little heart cookie. There's even a spot, an optional spot here if you wanted to put like a square photo, a little folio, a book, a note, a card, or even a CD would fit in there. Perfect for your favorite Christmas music or other photo CDs if you wanted to include. So that's a walkthrough of the 12 by 12 20-page album by Sandpaper Road, Christmas album, available at sandpaperroad.com. definitely hit the thumbs up and share the video with someone you know who wants to be inspired by some 12 by 12 simple pages. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.